Want to instantly boost your credibility with every email you send? Let's link your glowing Zillow reviews directly to your Gmail signature. First, navigate to your Zillow profile page and locate the section displaying your customer reviews. Make sure you're showcasing the ones you're most proud of. Next, copy the URL of your Zillow profile page. You'll need this link to direct people to your reviews. Now, open your Gmail account and click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then select See All Settings. Scroll down until you find the signature section. Inside the signature editor, type the text you want to use as a call to action, something like "See my Zillow reviews." Works great. Then, highlight that text and click on the link icon in the toolbar. Paste the Zillow profile URL you copied earlier into the web address field. Click OK to embed the link into your signature text. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. That's it. Now every email you send will include a clickable link to your Zillow reviews, building trust with potential clients.